In this video, we will show you how to replace your vapor canister purge solenoid valve on this Ford Fusion with a 3.0 liter engine. This will be located under the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's safely make our way underneath the rear of the vehicle. In this area, you're going to find your vapor canister purge solenoid behind this cover. To remove this cover, you're going to find that you have two locking tabs that you will have to dislodge. To dislodge these, you can use a small prying device or even an angled pick. We're going to have to try tugging down on this. While tugging down, we're going to press in on a locking tab. It's kind of hard to see, but once it's down, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Here we are. Okay. So this one right here, I just broke it free. There's our little locking tab right up along the top. We'll do the same on the other side. There we are. Let's give this a quick inspection, set it aside. With the cover out of the way, that exposes the valve. You'll find that you have two hoses that lead to it and an electrical connector. Let's start by disconnecting this hose. Just pry it right out of place, being careful not to damage anything. Once you have that off of there, just give it a quick inspection. Make sure it's soft and pliable, not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Otherwise, you will have a check engine light. Continue on to your electrical connector. For this, we are going to squeeze in on the locking tab, which is up along the top. We'll slide it out of place, give it a quick check for corrosion. Let's move along to our vent hose. This is held in place with a clamp. Squeeze the clamp, slide it out of the way, remove the hose from the assembly. Use a hose pick to break this free. We're being careful not to damage our hose in any way. You do want to reuse the hose. Once you have that broken free, we can separate these two areas. This part, there we go. Once you have the hose out of there, continue on with removing the valve from the area. This is mounted on a bracket. It pretty much just slides right on from the passenger side towards the driver's side. With that said, we'll slide it out of place, driving it towards the passenger side. We'll continue on with the pick. We can start separating the valve assembly from the charcoal canister. To do this, we're going to have to make our way in between the charcoal canister and the bracket that's for the valve assembly. As I make my way in here, I'm feeling for a small locating tab. Go ahead and press that through, and you should be able to take hold of the valve and pull it towards the passenger side to remove it. And there it is, friend. While we have that out of place, let's continue on to inspecting the bracket. Double check to make sure it's not rotted and weak. Looking along the back, you have the mounting point. Let's align it with its bracket and press it in. Listen for a click. Give it a tug towards the passenger side to ensure that it is properly secured. Now we can continue on to our hoses and the wiring. Start up here, press this into position. Connect your wiring harness. Listen for a click. Double check to make sure that's secure. Make our way to the final hose. We'll put that in position and put our clamp into the original position. Press it on as far as you can so you can ensure that you will have a good seal. Install your protective cover. You have your locking tabs that will fit up into their corresponding slots, protecting this entire area. Press it in, listen for a click from both sides, double check to make sure this is completely secure. Once you've done so, you can carefully make your way out from underneath the vehicle. Start it up, let it run for a little while, make sure you don't have a check engine light and no running condition. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.